Okay, hello. My name is Murian-Coush Addem. I will guide you through the path variable in Windows 11 and I think also work in Windows 10. Below you see my contact detail. I am head of faculty technological study and I know the process of to use path variable. So just take back and we will, for example, use those path variable for some software that you want to use in your command line and you want to edit in, for example, any directory of your PC, but uh, let's say it's Python and the Python doesn't work in your user directory. So you have to add it to the path directory. And then the path is for your whole PC and you can run everywhere Python. So the thing to do is you go here to the search and then click on environment variable and you can edit there and you will get this image here and there is also environmental variable and you can see here in this image you have multiple options. On the top you see user variable and then the bottom you see system variable and then you can just go here to the path. If you are administrator of your PC, you can do here just, but it's also possible to do the path for the user. But in my case, we'll just go here and then we see all kind of program edit. So if you, for example, now want to install Python, on your PC and you will need to add to the path, you will do now new and then you would do like the Python directory and you have to just use here the Python directory where your exe is the python.exe. So this is basically it and then you can just use it. So I will delete now this from the bulk again. And if you do it, you click OK, and then you click OK again, and you will be done. But this channel wouldn't be like the channel it is without some kind of tweak to it. So you have the tweak where you can edit the environment variables easier. So you just press Command and R, and then this run DLL, this blah blah blah, and then you are instantly in the window. So you can kind of use that as well if you want, but you don't have to. So yeah, thank you very much. This has been quite some more technical stuff. So I'm curious of your like commitment, engagement, whatever it will be. And yeah, let me know please on my contact detail what you think and how you will use the new software. So thank you and goodbye.